Hey guys, wanna know how to remove objects or drawing tools in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader 5 application. And now, under charts, for me, let's say here is this rectangle drawing tool right here. Now for me to remove it, just simply head towards and hold this rectangle tool for a bit. And on top right here you can see its information. It shows M5 rectangle 7736. Now on the top right you can see this small digit icon. Just simply select it and there you go. Your rectangle has successfully been deleted in MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.